It's the most wonderful day of the month. Hi guys, it's me, Alex, and we're back today with my BoxyCharm unboxing. It's December. So same as last month, I didn't actually look in the box. I just opened it to get the little card that comes in here to see what's in here, so I knew what I could have on my face already. And then I'm gonna open up everything in the box and use it live on camera so you get to see my first impressions and see how everything works. So let's get into this bad boy. Let's see. Ooh, everything's stuck together. So this is pretty cool. I've never gotten anything like this in a BoxyCharm. Says it's a girl's world mini ceramic styling tool. So it's basically just a mini straightener. Ooh. Comes in this little felt travel bag. Ooh, and it's green. It's my favorite color. So I don't know if I have a plug I can plug this into. I don't have an outlet. So I guess I won't use this on camera, but it's pretty cute and pretty little, and just, I don't know, be good for travel. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so that was the PYT mini hair straightener, and that retails for $75. Yeah, this box costs $21, so that's pretty freaking cool. Okay, next up in here we have these. I'm just gonna read the card, it's easier. Marajo or Mara Joe. They're anti-frizz smoothing serum capsules. Get ready for gorgeous hair with ultimate shine, softness, and sleekness with the Marajo or Ho anti-frizz smoothing serum. Nourishes with shea butter and helps prevent heat damage with protecting properties. A single-use capsule gives you the perfect amount of serum for ideal taming frizz on the go. And this just says apply to damp hair prior to blow drying. Twist or snip capsule neck open and empty entire capsule into palms and rub together. Distribute evenly through hair. Style hair and blow dry and brush. Well, I don't blow dry my hair that often. I air dry. So the next time I do, I'll try these. See how they work. Let's see what's next. Yeah, let's do this. So this is the Wander Beauty Wanderous Dusk Till Dawn, and it's a blush and highlighter palette. Oh, and I didn't tell you, those hair capsules are $28, and then this palette is $26. I can get it out. Ooh. So that's what the little package looks like. Oh, it's even got a cute little mirror, and then just 2 blushes and a highlighter. So we're gonna use these. I think I'm gonna use the lighter blush, which is called Tuscan Sunrise. And I don't know about this highlight because I think it's gonna be too dark for me, but let's try it. Let's do the blush first. I hate these little pans like this because you can't get your brush all the way in there, so. Remove the plastic from the mirror. Maybe I can see better. I mean, it's okay. It's kind of powdery looking. But it's got like a nice gold glimmer, shimmer to it. And then I'm just going to take that same brush on the other side with the highlight, which is called City Lights. And I'm going to do it super light because it's really dark. Yeah, it's like, I don't know if you can see. It's just like super gold. It might be pretty in the summer, but on me it's really dark. Like you can just see a stripe of gold. So I don't know if I'm gonna use that, but the blush is pretty, so I'll try that. Okay, so the last two things in the box are lip products. So the first one is a Bodyography lip liner. It retails for $12 and it's vegan and cruelty free. And this is in the color Barely There, and it's just a pencil. So I'm gonna line my lips with this. It's a nice nude color, so I'm hoping the next product is also a nude color. It seriously matches my lips like perfectly. So I'm just gonna fill them in all the way. Okay, and then last we have the Tarte's Shimmer Lip Paint. And I got the color Flaming Hot. That does not sound like a nude color, but this is $20. And it's a sheer lip gloss infused with shimmering glitter. Okay, so it's not even a lipstick, it's just a gloss. That's a bright color. It's like a purple with pink and purple glitter reflex in there. It's pretty, but let's put it on, see what it looks like. It smells really good, like cake. Okay. That's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be way more pigmented and be this dark purple color, but it's not. See, it's pretty. Alright guys, well that was it for this month's BoxyCharm. I think that was a pretty good box. I like the lip products. The blush is okay. I'll play with it a little bit and see how it goes. And then I'm really interested and excited to try the hair stuff. So I'm going to bring this probably to Mexico when we go in February, because that's kind of a nice travel-friendly hair straightener. And then these, I might try one when I wash my hair just to see how it does without blow drying it on wet hair. So we'll try that. But that was it for my video today. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.